Fiona.
You blockhead! You got to live all night ready for the pumpkin!
Come here, smelly girl. Here, smelly girl.
I could have had candy, apples, and gum, and cookies and money and all sorts of things. But now, I have to listen to you.
She's watching The Great Pumpkin.
What a fool I was. Pumpkins come only once a year, and I missed my sitting in the pumpkin patch with a boy. You only red pumpkin! You heard about Fury and a woman scorned, haven't you? Yes, of course I have. Well, that's nothing compared to the fury of a woman who has been cheated out of tricks or treats. Hey, aren't you going to wait
She's
for
like
me
a
to great
weird animal.
It won't be long now. If the great pumpkin
Fiona.
comes, I'll still put it in the water for you. Good grief.
Oh, someone needs to give you a bath.
I meant when he comes.
You should stick her in the bathtub upstairs, Meg.
One little foot like that, cause the great pumpkin will pass you by.
Put her in,
Oh, great pumpkin, where are you?
well, maybe your bathroom then. Megan's bathroom? You want to take a bath in Megan's bathroom? Do you?
In the new tub?
Do you?
In the new tub, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think she should.
Why don't you put her in the shower downstairs?
Take a shower. Oh, you think your dad if you go?
Ow. What do you say? What do you say? Okay.
Oh my god, I'm freezing.
Hi, Charlie Brown here. Welcome to my Halloween special. Later.
Come here, little cow. Oh my gosh, I think I'm getting sick again.